A weak close, maybe at the end we did slightly better, because if you look at the Nifty, yes, it ended about 0.95% lower, but the intraday will show you a bit of a surge towards the end. So maybe, just maybe, some bit of expiry-led short covering or bottom buying came into place for the Nifty. This is what I'm talking about, the slight surge that we saw in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty at close. But overall, a weak trade dragged down by IT. Banks actually did really well, but Nifty IT had a very weak day, 2.19% lower, and all components of the IT index were in the red. But frankly, if you just look at the heat map, even that will show you that the losses were dominated not just by IT, but a clutch of names, but IT stood there. Tech Mahindra, there was Wipro, which was down as well in trade today, LTI, Mindtree, TCS. So IT had a very weak day, but a clutch of other stocks, Tata Steel on the back of the results, Grasim, Shriram Finance, Finserv, Titan. So it was across the board. In fact, except for banks, there were no winners, and which is why the market breadth looked weak, because across the board we saw selling. The advanced decline ratio was not great, and if you just look at the BSE 500 as well, we ended the market breadth at the worst. And if you just look at the BSE 500 gainers and losers, you will see a clutch of stocks coming off and falling very, very strongly. The list of gainers has something which was up just 4%, but the list of losers, a lot of losses there. But in the list of gainers, a lot of result boys. So from an Emami, which reacted to brokerage notes because the numbers came out in die moments of trade yesterday, to a RHI Magnesita, to a KNR Construction, some fairly strong result-based moves there. Paytm continues on its merry ways, 2 days on a trot now. It's on an upper circuit. What's not doing well? IRB Infra, GMR Airports didn't react too well to its numbers, which actually look good. Cummins didn't react to its numbers, which actually look good, or didn't react as well. Alchem Labs reacted to weak MARD numbers and weak commentary. So in some sense, these commodity linked names and the result boys were duly reacting the way they should, but overall a weak day. But remember, tomorrow is a different day because it's the first day of the new series. It's the first day before the exit polls come in. I doubt people will want to take very large positions, so doubt there'll be very large movements tomorrow, and MSCI rebalancing led $2.5 billion worth of flows might come in, which might also have an impact on the markets tomorrow. So tomorrow might be a very different day than what we've seen today.